I take you around the area, look at it by yourself, you see it that obviously the site is under full construction and renovation. So there is no need anyone coming to use the facility.
I've not had any application or anybody applying to use this facility. I've not had. And I do know that everybody in Rivers State is very much aware that this facility is under construction. This facility was awarded to Messrs. Moni Michel to reconstruct the Yakubu Gowon Stadium to a modern stadium, fit for FIFA standards and African World Athletics standards for our sporting activities. From whence that contract was given, awarded to Messrs. Moni Michel, nobody had been able to come here to do anything. This is a work zone, it's a construction site. You can see it for itself. Even what we have now, what we have, the main bowl, that's the main pitch itself, buried under is over 40,000 pipes. And you cannot even step on it. And I tell you what, the hazards here are such that you cannot even use here for anything. You cannot use here for anything. I have not received any application. And if anybody says I've received any application, let the person show me. Let me have the proof. Let's have the evidence that an application has been given and the application was rejected. No application has been given. No application was sent to me. No response was given. Nobody was rejected from using this place. And of course, ordinarily, we will want to apply to use this kind of place. It's not possible. And again, the kind of program you're talking about is a program that all of us are also interested in. And so if you want to use this place will not be able to contain the number of people that support Mr. President himself, from His Excellency the Governor. So that if you want to use any place, the best place for you to use is the Adokiye Amiesimaka Stadium, where everybody uses now. It is open for everybody. We are not the kind of ones that will stop people from using our facilities. And of course, if we stop you from using these facilities, why are we allowing you use the Polytechnic, the Ajuru, the Elechi Amadi Polytechnic? It is government facility. It's open for everybody. And so it's not true that anybody applied and was rejected. So let's see it. Nothing like that. Look at it. Everywhere you can look around. Look at what you see around. You can see everything around here. The place is under construction. The equipments are still here. They're still working. They're about 55% gone with the job. And this job is a job that will last for over 8 months. Over 8 months, for which 40% have been paid so far. And so for anything, even the insurance company that insured this job here will not allow anybody coming to destroy this place. And so it's not possible. It's nothing like that happened. And as I speak to you, I am here right now in the facility itself. You can look around and find out if it is a place where anybody can use, even to play table tennis. Not to talk about a mammoth crowd that will come for a rally. Nobody can say that this place was refused them for use. No, it's not true. It's not true.
I need to say that if there's anybody that is at the forefront of Mr. President's re-election, he is the governor of the state, and he's not hiding his genuineness about that. I will welcome every effort that will support what the governor is doing to ensure that the president gets 100% victory over states during the 2027 general election. Now, like the coordinating commissioner for sports said, this facility is under construction. The facility at Captain Elechi Amadi Polytechnic is government property. But, of course, we don't have any reason whatsoever to stop anybody that has genuine intention for our state and for our president. And we let that go. Let's go beyond politics. Let us be our brother's keeper. We cannot thrive, we cannot succeed under this kind of environment. Besides politics is life. Let's manage our image. let's manage our integrity. Let's manage what we do and always put River State first. Because it is not enough to cast aspersion. It is not enough to say things. What is not too necessary is the outcome such intentions or such statements will generate. Our state is too important. We need to unite. We need to preach peace. We need to preach love. River State should grow above politics. So we advise that even if you don't want to see a man, look for an appropriate way to go about it, and not a way that we cannot substantiate. It is clear that whatever has been said cannot be substantiated based on what you have seen now. This place is under construction, and it's not good for anybody to come and say you want to do anything here. Outside that, there is even no letter. If there was a letter to that effect, I had called the SSG, I've called the PAMSEC government groups, and they said, and luckily the coordinating commissioner for sports, I also spoke with the PAMSEC, said they have not seen any letter from anybody. Any facility of government that is available, that request is made for, not just for the president alone. As long as that move will bring glory and development to River State, the River State government will give it. We've been doing that in the past and will continue to do that. Not to talk of Mr. President's program. So we are 100% committed to the re-election of President Bola Tinubu. We are 100% committed to anything that will bring glory to River State. We are 100% committed to anything that will bring development to River State. And we can't shy away from it. We are focused on development. We are focused on carrying forth the mandate that River State has given us to bring absolute dividends of governance.
Much for having me here, and thank you and welcome to site. However, the reconstruction work of this project started sometime in September last year, and so far so good. We've been working tirelessly to make sure we meet up our target, but so far the place is still under serious construction, and we are at the mechanical aspect of the job whereby it's unsafe for public usage at the moment, whereby my leads of pipes buried here, my perforated pipes buried under my geotextile, are so vulnerable that heavy weight, if it comes on contact with it, is going to damage the entire hydrological network of this super tough FIFA standard pitch we're producing here for you guys. That's all. And behind me, you can see there are hazardous environments for non-safe activities. So if you're not properly coordinated, you might end up getting injured, sincerely speaking. So the area, the facility, as far as I'm concerned, it is not safe for public usage till after the construction of this facility.
And for how long do you think that this will take?
Moving forward, we're working tirelessly with the governor, and we're making sure that in less than no time, we'll get the facility done.